Office environments often fail to provide the light we need, which affects our sleep and health. Biocentric lighting brings daylight indoors. The light is designed to support a stable circadian rhythm with many benefits for our health and well-being, including improved mood and better sleep. The positive effects of proper light exposure is well documented. At Brainlit, it is vital for us to deliver on our promise. That is why we are keen to follow up and constantly develop our technology in line with the latest research. From our past installations, we've seen measurable outcomes in a variety of environments, such as offices. Based on an 8 to 10 square meters average area per employee in an open office, our calculations show an 18% productivity increase, more than 11% improved cognitive performance, 12% work accuracy improvement, and over 70% of employees feel happier, as well as feel they have more energy. Visit brainlit.com to learn more.